Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your online studies. Myself, Monica Hassani, and I am here to teach you math. Today we will start our chapter number 7, that is Time Goes On. In this chapter, we will learn about birth certificate, calendar, timeline, etc. Let's start our chapter with one story. Refer page number 95 of your textbook. Ulta Pulta Time. Here in the given story, the pink colored word is wrong and we have to correct it. For this, one help box is given. In the help box, you can find days, rises, seconds, morning, breakfast, moment, minutes, and week. So let's start our story. As the sun sets, Somana wakes up. Yes, the word sets is not correct. It should be rises because when sun rises, we wake up. Next, what a lovely evening. Yes, it should be morning. Why? Because when the sun rises, it is known as morning, not a evening. So it becomes what a lovely morning. She washes her face fast in 2 hours and runs out. How much time do you need to wash your face? 2 hours, 2 seconds or 2 minutes? Yes, 2 minutes. So it should be she washes her face fast in 2 minutes and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. Now we are left with days, seconds, breakfast, moment and week in the help box. Which option is correct? Yes, days, because breakfast, moment and week are not suitable options. And we know here seconds cannot be the answer. So it is she has been watching the eggs for the last few days. Clear? Good. Let's move further in the story. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out. But before she can blink her eyes, in a week, a cat jumps onto the tree. Here the word week is wrong. It should be moment because for the blinking of eyes, moment is sufficient. So it should be but before she can blink her eyes, in a moment, a cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Dum. In 2 days, it is on the ground. Now, green mango does not require 2 days to fall down on the ground. It requires only 2 seconds. So here we will write seconds. Now, oh, how sad! The mango is still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more year to become sweet. Now we are left with 2 options, and those are breakfast and week. Which one will you put here? Yes, week, because breakfast does not indicate some kind of time periods. Now next, suddenly Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." But it was the morning time, and in the morning we take breakfast, not dinner. So it should be, "Come and eat hot upma for breakfast." I hope you enjoyed the story, and I know you learned many more things from this activity. Next topic is, how long does it take? Have you seen someone knitting a sweater or someone weaving a cloth? Yes, it takes long time. There are many activities that take minutes to complete. Similarly, many activities take long time, like hours or days. Here we are supposed to make a list of activities that take minutes to complete. Also the list of such activities which take quite long time, like hours and days. So activities like to boil milk, to make popcorns, to prepare tea, etc. take few minutes only. But activities like to prepare curd, to bake a cake, to stitch a shirt, etc. take hours to complete. Similarly, activities like to knit a sweater, to paint 1 BHK flat, etc. take many days to complete. Am I right? Yes. Now, many fast activities are there which take few seconds only, like to blink my eyes, to snap my fingers, to gulp my medicine, etc. Similarly, many activities are there which take many months to complete, like to grow wheat, to change from summer to winter, etc. Now, do one thing, make a list of your daily activities and also note down the time required to complete each activity. You can do this in your notebook. Next topic is birth certificate. It is an official document issued to record a person's birth and many more details like name, date of birth, place of birth, etc. Here you can see one birth certificate of a girl named Binsi. You can find many details of child in the birth certificate, like name, gender, date of birth, place of birth, name of father and name of mother. Other details like date of registration, registration number, etc. are also mentioned in the birth certificate. Now we have some questions related to given birth certificate. Let's find out the answers. The first question is 2/5/2002 shows that Binsi was born on 2 blank in the year 2002. So here we have to find out the month, and it is 5th month. Now the first month is January, then February, March, April, May. So the 5th month is May. So our answer is May. Second question, how old will Binsi be on 2 May 2008? Here the date is same, 2 May, but year is change because she was born in the year 2002 and we are supposed to find out her age in 2008. We can use the number strip from 2002 to 2008. Here I have a short kind of page, that's why I have made this kind of strip. You can make in the simple way, just like in the sleeping mode. Okay, 2007, 2008. Now let's find out her age. From 2002 to 2003, 1 year, then 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years and 6 years. So we can say she will be 6 years old. Clear? Good. Next question, how old will she be in the year 2052? Now here we cannot make a number strip from 2002 to 2052. It's quite difficult, but it is clear that there is a difference of 50 years from 2002 to 2052 because we can see the gap of 50 numbers. So we can say she will be 50 years old in the year 2052. Clear? Good. Next one, on what date will she be 8 years old? Now the date will be same, 2 May, but year will be change. Now we want to find out the year when she will be 8 years old. So keep 8 on your fingers and start your counting from 2002 because she was born in the year 2002. After 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. So 2 May 2010. Am I correct? Yes. Question number 5. How many months old was Binsi on 2 August 2002? Now she was born in the month of May, and here the month is given August. So after May, June, July, August. So we can say she was 3 months old on 2nd August 2002. Next question. How many years old is Binsi now? Now we know she was born in the year 2002, and right now which year is going on? Yes, 2020. So we have to find total number of years from 2002 to 2020. Now here I have a number chart. Let's start our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So we can say she is 18 years old. You can find this answer by using another method, the method of difference. Simply find out the difference between 2020 and 2002. You will get the same answer. Second last question. After how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? Here is the date of issued the birth certificate, and it is 05/08/2002. That means 5th August 2002. Now we know that the certificate was issued in the month of August. She was born in the month of May, so we can say she was 3 months old, because we have 3 months from May to August. Clear? Good. Now the last question is, what is the registration number of her certificate? Kindly have a look on the birth certificate of Binsi. You can find registration number. Yes, it is 815/02. Now it's your homework time. Find out when were you born. Write your date of birth in numbers. Do you have a birth certificate? Ask your parents and make one for yourself. You are supposed to do this homework in your textbook only. You can find this on the page number 101. Now it is done for today. I hope you must have enjoyed this session. We will meet soon with another session of the same chapter. Thank you.